welcome to Autism Life with Ashley. So for today's video, she's not going to school. She has an appointment. She's back there somewhere, guys. If you're not yet subscribed to Autism Life with Ashley, make sure to do so. Hit that big thumbs up, the bell notification to get notified every time we upload a brand new video. So for today, guys, she needs a shot, so we're gonna go get her shot. You know what? No, I think blood drawn. I'm not sure. But we're going to get this done really quickly and update you guys. I might record in there. If not, I'll update you guys on how she does. We're like running on the dot, so I better go now.
She literally just took off her seatbelt right now. As she put it back on. Just child-proof on that side of the door.
We need to bring in
the thingy.
The seatbelt protector. We do have it, the locks.
We have it
in the
it's
truck.
Just, yeah, we have it in the other car.
One in the Infinity, huh? Yeah, we need to transfer him to this car because of that reason, guys. And if you guys are wondering why she wears a harness on the bus, because of that reason. She's strong, so she'll unbuckle herself, and the harness is a little bit harder and it's more protection, like multiple buckles.
Okay, so my mom's getting here. We are at Taco Bell before. Ashlyn did so good. Beeb, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we have Ashlyn here. I'm gonna give her taquitos. The camera's shaking. Sorry. I'm holding it with my legs.
Oh wow.
Multitasking. I picked it up, so shouldn't be too bad. Gonna get her. Oh, Beeb. She's like, yeah. Wow, she's turning emotional. She's like, how'd you know it's my favorite? Dang, these tacos are good. Your favorite, then let's eat it. What, Ashlyn? You go too far back, honey.
So guys, we have been home for a while already. So Missy is just here, sitting pretty, and she's playing her little game. She's ready to have dinner, guys. Grandma made sopita, and we added some frijolitos. Let me show you guys. I'm about to serve Ashley a sopita de conchita right here. So yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve Ashley and get back on here, guys. Little sister, you can have an ice cream after dinner, Mama. Okay, so Missy's just waiting here at this point of view. You're so happy, girl, all the time. Okay guys, so this is the sopita. She's nice and ready right here. We are going to go ahead and enfriársela a little bit. Are you waiting nicely, girl? You love it? Te la voy a enfriar un poquito más, mamá. And I'm feeding her, guys, because it's pretty warm. So yummy, girl. She's drinking milk, guys. Está bien buena la sopita de mi baby. Yummy, girl. This is her second plate, guys. Everybody. Con quesito botija. Second bowl. She's eating the second bowl all by herself, guys. I love the way you eat, girl. I love it, girl. So yummy, girly Oli. You got this, girl, with the quesito botija and everything. Yummy, girl. Alright, guys, so I forgot to show you guys Aliyah. She recorded with her phone, but I never vlogged it because it was a surprise. She gave me flowers like 2 weeks after my birthday, guys, but that's the one that matters. So let me show you guys really quickly. These are the flowers. They say happy birthday, guys, right here. Really, really pretty. I'm supposed to take pictures with them. They've been here for about a week now, guys, literally. And they're still so pretty, like with a lot of glitter and stuff. Oh, this one's a little dead right there. But other than that, they're really, really pretty. She gave me that 2 weeks after my birthday. Alizé gave me my balloons. You guys saw that. I did do, not a photo shoot, but I did a few TikTok videos with my balloons. And really just came home today with, a day before Valentine's, with these really delicious strawberries with the little heart there. So I'm going to share them with everybody. ¿Quién quiere? Alright, let me turn on the light really quickly. Want some, mama? Okay, doing laundry, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and try them on camera. I left them on top of the fridge because he came and then Ashlyn wanted to get them before eating food.
Are these the ones from Costco?
No, yeah. Albertsons, right? Yeah. Are they good?
I got them because I'm like, oh, they look huge.
Yeah?
So.
Good?
They're big.
Good, mommy? Okay, you should bring Ashy so she could have one too. So yummy. It is a few weeks later. You guys saw that we took Ashy for a doctor's appointment. She got her blood drawn and everything. She did really, really good. It was very dangerous going over there because it was actually out of town. She unbuckled herself and she's been trying to do that at the bus too. So we do have the little red protectants, we have them in Willie's truck, so I'm gonna have to ask them to give them to me so we can put them in the car we mostly use and go from there, guys. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update. We will be blogging a little bit more often. We've been a little bit more active on TikTok. And make sure to follow her and all the platforms there in the description below. And we will be back with another vlog. Thank you so much for watching and supporting all of us. If you already are, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and turn on your bell notification for future videos.